Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful planned versus actual animated Gantt chart with milestones manually in PowerPoint. If you can see, it's a 4-month activity, and on the left we have project process, and we have here 7 steps, and then we have timeline in which we have planned and actual bars, and then the breakdown is for weekly. And you can also see the milestones, the flag here. So I have added the key here in the end. So let's see how to make this Gantt chart in PowerPoint ourselves. Add a new slide here and add Gantt chart 4-month activity heading, and then go to insert table, then select insert table. We want columns 21 and rows 16. So here we have our table. We'll adjust it a bit. Okay. Now we will select the design of the table. It will be light design, style 3, accent 4. And now we will do the merging of columns. Here we will merge these 4 cells in the layout and merge cells quickly. Then these 4, then these 4, then these 2 for timeline, and these 3 for project process. Yes, now we have over here, we will select this one and this one. We will merge it in 3 cells below. Alright, perfect. Now we have here merge these 2 cells one by one quickly. It's very easy steps, and you can do easily on PowerPoint and make it more attractive if you want. Now over here, I will merge these 2 rows, 6 cells, like this. It's so easy. It won't take more than 1 minute. Alright, perfect. Now I will copy the headings from here. I will copy these to save time and paste it here. Again, I'm gonna copy this headings and paste it here. Okay, that's perfect. Now I want the rows, this bar chart, this bar that I'm gonna use to show the timeline. I'll go and insert rectangle rounded corners. I will make it like this. I'm zooming it a bit so that you can see. I will make it fully round, and shape outline would be no outline, and the size will be 0.3 and 0.9, and I will fill it as yellow. I will control D, duplicate this shape, and then I will right click and go format shape. In format shape, I will go in fill. Transparency, I will make it to 39%. Yes. And I will make this one to green. This green, right? Okay, now I will zoom out a bit so that we can see our full Gantt chart. Now we will adjust these 2. I will select it, and in week 1 and 2 I'll paste it. And make sure it's in the middle. So I'm gonna copy it and select Ctrl D and paste it over here. Yes, and I will increase its length to week 1. And I will also increase its same length to week 1. Then I'm gonna select these two and Control D. Go over here like this, and then I will decrease its length so that the target is not achieved. Again, I'm gonna copy it, Control D, and I will put it over here. Yes, I'm gonna increase its length to week 3rd of March. The same increase the length, bit smaller. Yeah, perfect. Again, I'm gonna copy it, Control D, place it here. You can adjust these rounded corner shapes according to your timeline. And I will make it smaller. Also achieved. Okay, then I'm gonna again control, and this is for trainings, and I'm gonna put it here. Copy it till 3rd week of April. I'm sorry. Yeah. And then I'm gonna increase increase its length till yes. And I'm gonna copy the first one, Control D, and place it over here. And Control D again, put over here. And I'm gonna delete the achieved and adjust here in the middle. Now quickly you will see that we'll adjust this in the middle. Now I'll go to Insert, Icons, and I will search for flag. Here I'm gonna select this and insert. So now our flag is here. I'm gonna give it a color. Orange, and resize it smaller. Make sure to bring it to front. Okay. So I'm gonna resize it to smaller like this. Yes. And a little bit more smaller. Again, I'm gonna Control D, copy, and place it over here. So I'm gonna add a legend. Control D, copy this, and I'm gonna select this and place it over here. And this heading over here. Go to Insert, Text Box, and I will write milestones. Make it Control B, bold. Yeah. So now I'm quickly gonna add animation to show you. I'll go to animation, add animation, more entrance effects. I'll go to seek in. Here it is. Okay, an effect will be from left. The same animation I'll select this one, animation painter, and select this. I'll make it as with previous. Again, I'm gonna select this animation painter, this one, after previous. Maybe with previous. Then again, animation painter, this one, and its delay would be 25, and this one delay would be 25. Let's quickly see how it works. So let's make it after previous and then with previous. So this is how our animation would be. and then I'm gonna copy it as animation painter, this one, and then again animation painter, this one. Now how the flag will appear? I'll quickly add the animation here. Go to the animation, add animation, more and dress effects, and I will select this one, stretch. Okay, and I will add from bottom. So it will appear like this, and it will be after previous. Or maybe we can do with previous. So let's quickly see how it works. And we can see that it comes quick, so we will say after previous. So yes, perfect. Now I'm gonna add the same animations to the whole thing, and it will be the same. So this is how you can make a beautiful Gantt chart. PowerPoint. Yeah. So that's it from me. Friends, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Design School. And don't forget to subscribe, Design School. And see you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.